Hey there. All right, it's Heather Denaro coming to you from Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. And hey, I just stopped by for a quick minute and wanted to share with you what the base model options are. And I wanted to just let you see them for a quick little tour of this model. It's the Bamboo. And let's just see what everything is like. All right, so let's go check it out. As you enter this model, you're able to see the wide open spacious living, and you can tell that the cabinets are visible straight from the door. The first thing we'll discuss are these floors. This is a level 1 basic tile. They did not put any base vinyl or carpeting in any of the models due to traffic. So let's check out the kitchen as we walk in here. These cabinets are a base model door, as well as the base color. There is one other base color being a little richer, a little bit more walnut available. Also, check out the stainless appliances. Those are an upgrade. Your basics come with white or black, but we're looking at the cabinetry for now. Notice this sink option, that is standard. There is an available upgrade without the partition in the middle. And these countertops are Formica, but they're modern and they look nice. And unless you're right on top of them, you can't even tell. So this video is for the basics, but we're gonna just do a walkthrough of this model anyway. For the Bamboo, this is your eat and dining area. And here you've got the master bedroom. This is one of the standard shower inserts available. And notice the sinks in base are round. You do have an option of a rectangular for an upgrade. Here we have bedroom number 2, and it's right next to the bathroom that we're going to take a look at. And I want to point out the floors. Those are the base vinyl, again with your base cabinets and countertops. And moving into the shower, this is the other insert option, that is the base availability. So I hope this quick little piece of information about your base features was helpful. I just wanted to stop by and kind of give you some close-ups and talk a little bit about the base while you're thinking about your upgrades and such. So I hope this has been good. Put some questions down below. You can find my phone number. You can give me an email, give me a quick call, whatever, to help answer more questions. They've been so kind here in training me and helping me help you. So that's Heather Denaro helping you find your best beach life at Latitude Margaritaville Watersound. Talk to you later.